Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Robinson here, and today our virtual tour is going to take us to the oldest and the largest library in the United States of America and in the world. And that library is called the Library of Congress, and it's located in Washington, D.C., right across from the Capitol building. And the building that it is in is called the Thomas Jefferson Building. Where did we hear that name? Do you remember who Thomas Jefferson is? We talked about it yesterday when we were talking about coins. I'll give you a minute to think. Okay, if you said he was a president, and if you said he was our third president, then you're right. Okay, it's called the Thomas Jefferson Building because one, Thomas Jefferson was a famous American, and two, because he had a large collection of books in his own library at his house. And if you remember, his house is called Monticello. So he had lots and lots of books that he collected, and some were in different languages. And all those books are donated, and they went to the Library of Congress. Now, the Library of Congress, get this, has 838 miles of bookshelves. Can you believe that? 838 miles of bookshelves, because it has 164 million items. So that means it has books and other historical artifacts that people can go and look at. So I have never been in the Library of Congress. It's a huge building, and we are going to take a virtual tour of it, and you will be amazed at how gorgeous it is. It has pictures in it, it has designs, and it has artwork, it has sculptures, it has creative works of over 50 American artists. I put in the letter that I want you, when you watch this virtual tour, it has no words in it, okay? So you are just looking. I want you to look for things that I put in the email to your parents so that you can be looking for those things while you're taking the tour, okay? Now, I want you also to remember that we have a library here right in Brunswick, Ohio, okay? Right here where we live. And it has thousands of books and videos and games for you to borrow over the summer. So if you go there, you can talk to the lady or the man who works in the library, which is called the librarian, and they will help you find some really good books to read over the summer, because it's really important that you continue to read over the summer. Okay, so then when school starts in the fall, you will be ready to roll. Okay, good readers, I will talk to you soon, and enjoy the virtual tour of the Library of Congress.